can you come walk to Mommy now? Here we go. Hi, big kid. Look at you. Oh, here she comes. Wow. Good walking. Big kid. Oh, okay. Nice hat. It's going to be hard to walk with that on your head. What are you doing? Is it loud in there? Where's Anna? Anna, where are you? There she is. You're tricky. Hi, Anna. Hi. Anna. Anna, can you stand up and walk back to Mommy? Stand up. Stand up. Or at least don't scratch up Mommy's floor. Ah!